research ऐसा कहती है, those children, those who have a good routine and the exact same routine all of the 7 days, they have a less behavior issues in the classrooms, in the later life. So that is very important, क्योंकि हम हमेशा मैस ही तब होते हैं जब हमारा रूटीन हमें पता नहीं होता कि what to do next. Like if we both are sitting here, we know that at 3 o'clock we have to be there. So we are managing our task. So we are relaxed, we are chill. We know that at this, during this time we have to do this task. So we are not, rushing out of the time. So that is again very important in ECD. It should be, daily routine should be set by the parents, by the caregivers for the child. So we will see less mess and less behavior issues in the child. So अब डेली रूटीन कैसे करना है, अगेन इट्स अ लॉन्ग डिबेट ऑन दैट, कि मेरा बच्चा तो नहीं करता है, हम तो करते हैं. सो देयर आर मैनी फैक्टर्स ऑन दैट, सो वी कैन हैव अ लॉन्ग सेशन ऑन जस्ट टू सेट द डेली रूटीन फॉर दैट, बट दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Okay. Great tips, Mona. It really helps to know how we can make learning fun and exciting for children. My next question is somewhat linked with this question, the strategies that you have just shared. What can be the most effective strategies for the caregivers for them to support the children's learning at home and in educational settings as well? Like I'm sure many of the educationists and the teachers, they must be with us in the audience. So if they want to know some sort of strategies, so what kind of strategies they can apply in educational settings?
Okay, so as a caregiver, मैंने बता दिया, for as a teacher, for as a facilitator, you should be a very good connection, build a good connection with the child. ठीक है, जब छोटे बच्चे आपके पास आते हैं, so make sure that you don't just start, telling them that you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. First, go with the connection building. ठीक है, that is very important. If the child is comfortable with you, they will learn from you. If the child is not comfortable with you, they can't learn from you. Okay, they will just spend a time with you, they will not getting you. So for example, as a facilitator, as a teacher, the first thing that you have to do, that talk to the child, understand the child. You should know, as a facilitator, you should know the background of the child as well. If the child is coming to you from the parents, from anyone, so any home, and diversity is there, so you should know that what's the background is like, not the economic background कि कितना financially stable है बच्चा, but how the parents are. ठीक है, how the child is getting the environment at home, how the parents are communicating with the child. If the child, हम बहुत सारी दफ़ा ऑब्जर्व करके भी बच्चे को समझ जाते हैं. बहुत सारी टीचर्स से जब मैं बात करती हूँ तो वो यही कहते हैं कि मुझे तो ये देख के ही पता चल गया कि बच्चा ऐसा है. हम बहुत सारी दफ़ा जजमेंटल भी हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने वो चीज़ें पढ़ी हुई होती हैं, हम उन सिम्टम्स को लेते हैं और अलर्ट हो जाते हैं, नहीं यार ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. सो we need to understand first, build the connection, that the child is coming to you, they will tell you that how they are feeling, if they are happy, they are not happy, first connect that connection, and then start inquiring about that, how they're spending the time at home, how they're doing at home, what they're doing at the weekends. So ask from the parents politely, not like this ke आप बताएं आपने वीकेंड पे क्या किया. अगर कुछ नहीं किया घर में, तो वो पेरेंट बड़े वो हो जाएंगे कि हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ करना था. नॉट लाइक दैट, बट connect with. Third is that this is very important, to stay connected with the caregivers. Whenever you're working with a child, it should be a very good connection with the caregivers as well, that they will be comfortable to tell you that what has happened to the child, or might be what has happened to them, if there is something. ठीक है, if not there, if there's nothing, so that's okay, that's everything is fine. So still you should be connected with the caregivers. हमारे यहाँ पे हम केयर गिवर्स से इतने कनेक्टेड नहीं होते. बच्चे को स्कूल भेजने के बाद वी जस्ट फॉरगेट दैट हमने बच्चा भेज दिया, 4 घंटे उसने क्या किया, वी डोंट नो. ठीक है, एंड द टीचर इज डूइंग, एंड टीचर इज सेइंग कि ठीक है, पेरेंट्स आएंगे तो बता देंगे. दे बोथ लाइक अगर वो बुलाएंगे तो हम देख लेंगे, और वो कहते हैं वो पूछेंगे तो हम बता देंगे. सो देयर इज अ लिटिल. So we need to connect them with the daily basis. बहुत सारे educational institution have, they have started with the daily updates to the parents. So they are giving the daily updates that what the child has done. If you go internationally, even in the daycares, they do the activities with the child, they click the picture and they email to the parents that how much time the diaper has changed, what has the child has done at the daycare, how she or he was feeling at the daycare today. The whole report of the day has sent to the parents via email, via WhatsApp, and there are different strategies to do that. And that is very important, so parents knows कि अगर आज कुछ है या कुछ मूड में आगे पीछे है या कुछ रूटीन में आगे पीछे, दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि देयर इज अ इम्पैक्ट ऑन द चाइल्ड. So this is very important. The third thing, the fourth thing is that whenever we are teaching or we are giving any concept or any learning to the child, that is very important to understand that every child is unique. We can't expect the same outcome from all of the children in the classroom. So this is very important to understand as a facilitator, even as a caregiver, as a parent as well. Don't compare your child with anyone. Even with the siblings, don't compare your siblings. That अच्छा इसने ऐसा किया, ये क्यों ऐसा नहीं कर पा रहा है तो दोनों सेम इन्वायरमेंट में. Every child, every individual is unique. इसी तरह हम जब 9 months की भी बात करते हैं, सो दैट प्रेगनेंसी इज ऑल्सो यूनिक. वी कांट कंपेयर कि इसके साथ ऐसा हुआ, उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ. सो एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज यूनिक. इवन इन द सेम इन्वायरमेंट, अगर आप ट्विंस की भी बात करेंगे, दे विल गेट द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट विद द डिफरेंट पेस. So that is very important to understand as a caregiver, as a facilitator, that don't expect the same outcome from all of the children in your classroom and you think that अच्छा उससे तो होगा ही नहीं. फिर हमारे ये कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं एज अ फैसिलिटेटर कि वो नहीं कर सकेंगे या उससे नहीं होगा, वो नहीं करता. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ हैज एन अ डिफरेंट इम्पैक्ट ऑन द चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट.
Okay, some really valid and great points made by you, Ms. Mona, especially the connection thing. Connection is important, not only with the students, but with the caregivers also. And nurturing the individuality of your students. That's like the most important thing. Okay, so my next question is, we often hear about the concept of a growth mindset, especially in the context of children. Could you please explain what a growth mindset is and how we can help children develop this mindset from an early age?
ओके, सो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट जो वर्ड है वो सुन के ऐसा लग रहा है ओ माइंडसेट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. माइंडसेट क्या है? बेसिकली माइंडसेट वो है कि हम सोचते किस तरीके से हैं, हाउ वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग. ठीक है, हाउ वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस वर्ल्ड, हाउ वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट आवरसेल्फ. So how we are developing this mindset, we are developing this mindset from the early years. If a child is doing a great job in everything, in academics, in physically and everything, he's going very good, so we always say he is the best. And then we start comparing the best with the bestest. ठीक है, अच्छा ये हो गया. अब हमारे जो है ना एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं एज अ केयर गिवर. जब हम बच्चों के साथ काम करते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं अच्छा इसने ये कर लिया ना, अब इसको ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी कर लेते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि वो हर चीज कर ले. वहां पे हम आ जाते हैं, हमारे जो माइंडसेट बने हुए हैं ना कि नहीं एक बच्चा ये कर लेना चाहिए, अगर वो बच्चा नहीं कर रहा है तो इन्वायरमेंट उसको बहुत सारे कमेंट्स, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स ऐसे आ जाएंगे कि वो उसको फिर नहीं करने पे मजबूर कर देते हैं. ठीक है, और जो बच्चा बहुत कर रहा होता है उसको इतना प्राउड और इगोइस्टिक हो जाते हैं कि मैं तो कर लेता हूँ, बाकी कोई नहीं कर लेता है, तो वो भी एक चीज नहीं है. वी नीड टू बी बैलेंस. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत जरूरी है कि हम अपने माइंडसेट को पहले क्लियर करें. हमारे ही माइंडसेट क्लियर नहीं है बेसिकली. तो माइंडसेट की मैं जब भी बात करती हूँ ना, तो मैं केयर गिवर्स को बोलती हूँ कि पहले अपने ब्रेन के साथ काम करें, अपने ब्रेन में फिल्टर लगाएं कि आपको क्या चीजें फिल्टर लगा के बाहर निकालनी है. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि हर बच्चा एक जैसा है या जैसी मैं थी वैसा ही मेरा बच्चा होगा, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम ये कॉन्सेप्ट बोल रहे हैं कि दैट एवरी चाइल्ड, एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज यूनिक. सो देन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दिस फैक्ट कि दैट एवरी चाइल्ड इज यूनिक. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहला जो काम है ना वो केयर गिवर्स का है कि वो खुद रिलैक्स हो, खुद मेडिटेशन करें, खुद अपने माइंडसेट को, अपनी चीज़ों को क्लियर करें, अपने विजन को क्लियर करें कि हमें क्या करना है, हमें क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. हम हमेशा अपनी आधी से ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी दूसरों के लोगों के कहने पे गुजारते हैं या उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन के लिए गुजारते हैं. वहाँ हमारा ये माइंडसेट, जो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट जिसकी हम बात करते हैं, वो स्टॉप हो जाता है, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट अदर्स, वी डोंट थिंक अबाउट आवरसेल्फ। हम कितने लोग हैं जो खुद रोज 5 मिनट बैठ के अपने बारे में सोचते हैं और अपने आप के लिए सोचते हैं? मुश्किल है, नहीं सोचते। ठीक है, वी डोंट वर्क ऑन आवरसेल्फ। हम कितने लोग हैं जो खुद अपने रिलैक्सेशन के लिए, हम बोलते हैं जो हमें करना पसंद है वो हम करें। ठीक है, स्पेशली मदर्स, they need to get relaxed, they need to get time for themselves, you know, they need a time to get out of this all responsibilities just for 5 minutes, just for 10 minutes, because they need to get relaxed. But who is responsible for that? The environment, the supporters, those who are, you know, in surrounding, they, you know, their support is required. Secondly, अगेन वन थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जब केयर गिवर्स अपने साथ ये सारे काम कर लेंगे ना, तो वो खुद ही उस बच्चे के साथ काम जब करेंगे, सो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड कि अब रिसर्च भी ये कहती है कि जब आप 3 4 4 साल के बच्चे को ऑब्जर्व करें, सो दे ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड दैट व्हाट दे नीड टू डू इन द लेटर लाइफ, दे start, you know, developing that skills and identify the career if you observe them. But we don't do this, we don't have the time to spend the quality time to with the children. ठीक है, हमारे माइंडसेट जितने भी हम जो करते हैं ना, वही हम ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं अपने बच्चों में। ठीक है, sometime intentionally, sometime unintentionally. So that is for, in this I will suggest all of the caregivers just to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and see that what you guys are doing, what you want to do next, and how you want to nurture your child, you know, how you want your child to be in the future. ठीक है, अब आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है, तो उसके लिए फिर आप कर क्या रहे हैं? देन थिंक दैट व्हाट यू आर गिविंग टू द चाइल्ड. If you're giving the same environment, but you want that your child should be the best, and you are giving the same stressful environment, no learning, no opportunities, no talking, then it can't be happening. It is not possible. So we need to first, you know, filter our thoughts and then the child's thoughts, and then we need to work on this growth mindset for that.
Thank you so much, Mona. You have shared such valuable insights today, and I know our audience is leaving with the wealth of knowledge to apply in their own lives. Before we say goodbye, do you have any final words of encouragement for parents and caregivers who are trying to create the best environment for their children's development?
Yes, my suggestion for all of the caregivers is to just get relaxed, you know, do the things which you can do, don't take lots of stress, don't listen to others, just listen to yourself, stay calm, stay relaxed, and only give the quality time to your children. Don't be panic, you know, this time you have to enjoy that time, your pregnancy time plus when the child is in this world, enjoy that time, you know, enjoy the expression, enjoy the development of the child. Don't take too much stress, so that will transfer to the child. Okay, so be relaxed, stay calm, and enjoy these movements with your child.
Thank you so much, Mona, for your time and for sharing your expertise with us today. And thank you to everyone who joined us. We hope you leave with new ideas and inspiration for supporting the growth and development of the children in your life. Remember, the first few years are vital, and as caregivers, you have the power to shape the future. Stay tuned for more webinars like this, and don't forget to keep fostering those bright minds. Until next time, take care. Allah
Thank you so
Hafiz.
much. Allah Hafiz.